everybody, today's video for Vlogmas is going to be a DIY where I'm going to be making a Mickey wreath, and most of the items are like 98% of the items are from the dollar store, and as well as this video is going to be a collab with Ashley. Her channel name or her thing is Mommy Vlogger. Ashley Michelle is her name on the YouTube. She does DIYs, recipes, cleaning videos, like almost like me, like hauls and stuff like that, just like me, a mommy YouTube channel. And down in the description box will be the playlist, not the playlist, the link to her channel and to her video where she's going to be also making a wreath, and most of the items are also from the dollar store. So go ahead and check her channel out, and if you're coming over from her channel, welcome, and let's get started. Thank you very much, Ashley, for inviting me to do a collab with you guys, and DIY. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's Vlogmas is going to be a quick DIY and how to do a Christmas wreath, and this wreath is going to be Disney inspired. So I'm going to be making, this could also be a Mickey, but I'm going to be doing a Minnie Mouse because we have girls at our house, and this DIY includes everything from the Dollar Tree, and no glue, no hot glue, no nothing like that you need. So no glue, it's like no bake kind of situation. No glue. The things that you're gonna need are, of course, these what do they call them here, willow wreaths. These are on the garden section, or like in the, yeah, I guess the garden section where I was lucky enough to find the bigger one and two smaller ones. This could be probably a 12-inch, and then this is the 6-inch. They are not like the same. This one seems bigger because of the size, the width of the thing, but we're gonna need two because we have the head and the two ears. Now, these were from the Dollar Tree, and these that you're gonna need were from the 99-cent store. These were from the 99-cent store, but they were $1. You can also find like some of them that look like this at the dollar store, but they do not have this wide tips. They just have the green one, which could be fine as well, but I just like these better. They are like this. I got 4 of them, and I will tell you why I had 4 of them. These are big. Some of them look a little bit bigger than others, and that's why I got 4 of them. Let me zoom out just a little bit. And this is what we're going to be doing, since we're not going to be using hot glue, because guess what? I like to recycle my wreaths. Whenever I have something, maybe I didn't for Christmas, I reuse it for Thanksgiving. I use it for Valentine's and stuff like that. I will put other ideas that I have recycled. I want to use this for later times, just like this. So this is what we're going to be using. We're going to use this baker twine that you can find at the dollar store, and I'm going to be using the green one because the wreaths are green, and some scissors to cut the twine, and that's it, all that you need. Now, we're going to be attaching these two with the twine, but I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing with the big ones. With the big ones, I'm going to be folding them just a tiny bit so they become a smaller one and they look puffier. This is what I did. So when we overlap them in our bigger one, it just looks bigger. I want these other big ones to create like structure, and you can easily just do this and it'll look just fine, but I just want more like sturdiness and then more puffiness, and that's why I got these ones. But you can totally do them without these, or you can totally do them without these and just have one like this. I want it to be smaller, so just like this one. Let me zoom you a little bit more. Just like this one, we're gonna grab the big one, and then I'm going to grab this one. and just take out the bow that they have. It's easily taken off. It just has this little wire things, and we're just going to fold the little section where it had the tag. We're just going to make a fold just like this, just like that. Since they are wired, they're easy to like manipulate and move around and make it sturdier, make it rounder or whatever. So we're going to, I think I did a bit too much. I'm going to undo it and then make it like this. There we go. So now we have 2 of the ears. You see? 2 of the ears are already done. There we go. This one looks a bit crooked. I'm going to... And since they're wired and they're really thin, you can hardly see what happened. There you go. And now with the big one, I got 2 of them because I wanted to look puffy as well. I'm going to take out the little bow that it has, untwine it. Take out the tag, and this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to fold it just a bit, just in half, because I want the bottom head to be a little bit fluffier than the ears. So I'm just going to squeeze it, like fold it down like a smile. Do 2 half smiles like this, and it looks way puffier. Do you see that? Way puffier. Now we're going to attach them together, and that's where our handy dandy twine comes from. Look, you can also make it without this bottom one, but it's very flimsy, so the air could easily take it out and like blow it. So let me twine this together and then I'll be back. The Mickey Mouse ears are not like really close to each other. They're a little bit apart, but not so apart that it looks like a bear, because it's not a bear, it's a mouse. So not too close, not too further apart, so intermediate sense. Bows that we had from one of the wreaths, we're going to reuse it and put it right here on the corner. We could even put 2 maybe. No, I think 2 is too much. I'm going to be using the one that I think looks bigger. I am missing a bunch of them. You can even put 2 if you want, but since it's Minnie Mouse only has 1 little sucker, so we're gonna go ahead and put one of those back right in here, and I'm going to grab that one from one of the loops here of the string that I did from there, and now it looks like a mini. The little bow is a little bit small. Well, you can put something else. You can put an ornament, a bigger. You can put a bigger ornament there, or only if you had that. Even you can put this little, I had this little ornament that says joy. If you don't like the little bow there, you can even put this one, and it also looks like a little bow. Or you can put it at the bottom. I don't know, I think that one looks a bit better. A little cuter, like it. It's little candy canes, and it says joy. You can put it here. I'm going to pull this to the back, so not as much, you don't see it as much. I'm gonna grab my twine and wrap it around. And there you have it. I think it looks pretty with the joy one. It looks a little bit Christmassier. Is that a word? But yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. This simple wreath, no glue needed, Mickey Mouse theme Hopefully you guys like it. I will show you. You just put the wreath hanger, and to make it more festive, we can put these little lights. You also can find these little lights at the Dollar Tree, but I think they're a little bit smaller. These ones I did bought at Home Depot, but like I told you, you can also find them in the Dollar Tree, but I think only in the Dollar Tree there were only white, and these are colored. They have color lights, so it'll have, each bulb is one color. Vlogmas from before. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did